The reception area is the first impression of your business, and in times of social distancing, exemplifies your safety standards. When tighter restrictions are in place, reduce capacity in the room. All multi-person seating options should be replaced with single seats. Use physical barriers to separate seats, including easy-to-clean end tables or broadleaf artificial plants that can be sterilized, while all unnecessary touchpoints should be removed, including client amenities. Visitors will still need to interact with the receptionist, so add acrylic sneeze guards to the desk and keep a fully stocked cleaning caddy behind the desk. If possible, implement a low-contact sign-in system, such as a tablet. Hand sanitizer should be placed near the entrance and any hallways that lead off from the reception area, and one-direction walkways can be set up using guide ropes, signage, or floor decals. As restrictions ease, you'll still want to avoid high-touch amenities, but you can add more seating back into the area. Opt for chairs over sofas and love seats, while keeping natural barriers between seats to maintain distance. Any future furniture purchases should be made with materials in mind. Vinyl upholstery and high-pressure laminate are great choices, but also consider options in healthcare-grade furniture for its cleanability. Purchase heavy-duty hand sanitizer and wipe dispensers that can stand up to rigorous use indefinitely, and maintain the floor decals, low-contact sign-in, sneeze guards, and cleaning caddies. Keep up consistent cleaning and sanitation habits, and your reception area can remain impressive to visitors while adhering to social distancing.